Today we're going to shift our focus to the positive side of self-control, celebrating our successes and cultivating the lasting motivation. Why to celebrate success? It might seem so obvious, but taking the time to acknowledge and appreciate our achievements is essential for maintaining the motivation and building self-control. When we celebrate our wins, we reinforce the positive behaviors, boost our self-esteem, and create a sense of momentum that propels us forward. Think of it like a reward system for your brain. When you experience the pleasure of accomplishment, your brain releases dopamine, a neurotransmitter which is associated with motivation and reward. This positive reinforcement strengthens the neural pathways associated with the desired behavior, making it more likely that you'll repeat it in the future. How to celebrate success? Your personal cheer squad. There is actually no right or wrong way to celebrate the success. The key is to find what works for you and make it a regular part of your self-control practice. Here are some ideas to get you started. You may indulge yourself in a small reward like a favorite snack, a relaxing activity, or a new book. Another idea is to share your success. Tell a friend, a family member, or mentor about your achievement. Their support and encouragement can be incredibly motivating. Thirdly, keep a record of your successes. No matter how small, this can be a great way to track your progress and boost your confidence. A good way to celebrate your success is actually through reflecting on your growth. Take some time to reflect on how far you have come. What challenges have you overcome? What new skills or insights have you gained? Finally, set new goals. Use your success as a springboard to set new challenges for yourself. This will help you maintain a momentum and keep moving forward. Nurturing the motivation, the long game. While celebrations are essential, they are only one piece of the puzzle. Lasting motivation comes from cultivating a deeper sense of purpose and meaning in our lives. And here are some tips for staying motivated on your self-control journey. First and foremost thing is to remind yourself of the reasons why self-control is important to you. What values or goals are you striving to uphold? Second, engage in activities that you genuinely enjoy and that bring a sense of fulfillment. This will make self-control feel less like a chore and more like a natural extension of who you are as a person. Similarly, make sure your goals are aligned with your values and aspirations. When your goals are meaningful, you'll be more motivated to pursue them. Another important tip is to imagine yourself achieving your goals in vivid details. This can help you tap into the power of your subconscious mind and create a stronger sense of motivation. Lastly, seek inspiration, read inspiring books, listen to the motivational podcasts, or surround yourself with positive people who actually uplift and encourage you. The ripple effect of success. When we celebrate our successes and nurture our motivation, we actually create a positive feedback loop that strengthens our self-control. Each victory reinforces the behaviors and habits that lead to success, making it easier to overcome the challenges and staying on track. Self-control is basically a skill that can be cultivated and strengthened over time. We can create a sustainable practice that supports our well-being and empowers us to live our best lives through consistent efforts.